In today's video, I would like to show you how you can add your own song or your personal sound to your TikTok post. So let's dive in. You first of all log into your TikTok app, and then you go to you click on the plus button here to upload a post. You can either upload or use your camera. So let me upload a post here. I'm uploading this now. Then you click on the sound button here, then you click on the search icon here. It will now take you to your sound section. Click on your sound, then from here you can import sound from an existing video on your device, or you can import local sound that is existing on your phone. So let's use the import local sound option. When you click on import local sound option, it will now bring all the sounds that you have on your device. So you can click on anyone you like to use there, and then just import the sound to your device. From there you can just click on the sound and use it on your post. You can also import a sound from your video. You can search, then click on your sound, then import sound from your video. So that means it will import sound from your existing videos on your device. So if you have a video that you like to use a sound on it, you can click on any of the video here, and then you add the sound to it. That's how to go about that. If you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification to get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you.